Hello, boys and girls. As you can see, I am not at school today, but I need you to do your best learning and pay attention. I just want you to watch the next two problems. They are not on your guided practice. So pencils down, sit up, and watch. Bob made 24 tacos for his party. He plans to invite 8 people. How many tacos can each guest have? All right, let's go back and find our numbers. So he made 24 tacos. He's inviting 8 people, and we need to know how many tacos can each guest have. Since we know how many tacos he made and we know how many people he needs to share with, this is a division problem. Do you know what the division equation would be? What do we always start with in division? That's right, the big number. 24 divided by 8. Don't say it if you know it. Now, if you don't know it, because it's a third grader, I didn't know it, I'm going to draw 8 groups. Remember, in division, we always start with our big number. So I've got my big number, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, those are my 8 groups. That's where that second number comes in. I'm going to put one taco, air quotes, look at your neighbor and say taco, into each group until I get to 24. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so how many tacos did each person get? How many are in each circle? That's right, 3. Remember, we did this Friday if you were here on Friday. Let's try another one. I put a sneaky clue word in it. This problem says Bob made 12 cookies. He wants to make 1/4 of the cookies chocolate chip. How many cookies are chocolate chip? Okay, well, I see the number 12. Do you see another number? Oh, we have a fraction. 1/4. Okay, we can ignore that unit word. What does this tell me? How many should I divide by? Right. It's just going to be 12 divided by 4. Okay, so 12 is my big number. Look at your neighbor and say, that's where you start. The second number tells how many groups I'm going to make. I'm going to make 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put one at a time in each group until I get to 12. Excuse me, 12. I'm going to get to 12. Look at your neighbor and say, she's crazy. Okay, count to 12 with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many are in each group? Right, so 3 is our answer. Now grab a pencil and look at your guided practice. We're going to do some of those together. Okay, let's look at the first one. Noah has 8 hats. If he puts them into 4 equal piles, how many hats will be in each pile? So we always go back and find our numbers. 8 is our big number. 4 is how many piles. How are we going to work this out? I know you know. If you know the answer, please don't say it. Okay, I'm going to make 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's my big number? 8. I'm going to put one at a time in there until I get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are in each group? 2. Okay, so we're still talking about Noah and his 8 hats. That's why I drew a line here so you would know that these two problems go together. If Noah decides to put his hats into 2 equal piles, instead, how many hats will be in each pile? Okay, so we still have 8 hats, but now we're going to put them into 2 piles. What's my big number? 8. Okay, so here's my 2 piles. I'm going to put in one at a time until I get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are in each pile? 4. Easy and fun. Let's try another one. A librarian is putting 20 books on shelves. She wants to put the same number of books on 4 shelves. How many books will go on each shelf? Okay, let's circle our numbers. 20 books, 4 shelves. What would be the division equation there? 20 divided by 4. Okay, what's the big number? 20. How many groups do I need to make? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to put 20 books in one at a time until I get all of them put in a group. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many books are on each shelf? There are 5. All right, now this time I want you to pause and work it on your own after I read it again to you. What if she decides to put the books on just 2 shelves instead? How many books will go on each shelf? Well, how many books does she have? 20. How many shelves? 2. All right, so pause the video, draw that out. I know you know the answer. Look at your neighbor and say, I know you know. But part of the practice is drawing this out. So I want you to draw it out and come up with an answer. Pause the video now, please. All right, so 20 is my big number. She still has 20 books, 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, did you guys get 10 books on each shelf? I hope you did. Let's look at the last one on this page. Emmy has 24 balloons for her party. She ties them into bunches of 4 balloons and puts them around the room. How many bunches does she have? Let's find our numbers. 24 and 4. In division, what do we always start with? That's right, the big number. 24 divided by what? 4. Okay, don't say it if you know it. Pause the video, draw the groups, and see if you get the same answer I do. Okay, so 24 is our big number. 4 groups. I'm going to put one at a time in until I get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, and there are 8 in each, so the answer is 8. Emmy changes her mind and ties the balloons into bunches of 2. Okay, all you have to think about is what is half of 24? Don't say it if you know it. What is half of 24? So you might not need to do the drawing for that one, but I want you to anyway. So the equation would be 24 divided by 2. So 24 is my big number. I'm going to put 24 in 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, did you get 12? All right. Turn the page. I'm going to look at one more with you, and then your sub will take over from there. Okay, the last one I'm going to do with you, and then your sub will take over from there. So let's look at it. Ella has a package of 24 crystal beads. She wants to make 6 bracelets with the same number of beads on each bracelet. How many beads will each bracelet have? Let's go find our numbers. 24 and 6. What's the big number? 24. What are we dividing by? 6. Now, what does that mean? 24 divided by 6. Remember, that means we're going to take the big number and make 6 groups and see how many are in each group. I want you to pause the video and see if you get the same answer I do. All right, so 24 is my big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 1 bead in at a time until I get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many beads are on each bracelet? 4. Okay, we're still talking about Ella and her 24 beads. What if Ella decides to make 3 bracelets instead? How many beads can she put on each bracelet? What's the division equation? Okay, 24 is still the big number. Now what are we going to divide by? 3. All right, pause the video and see if you get the same answer I get. Okay, so 24 is my big number. I'm going to make 3 groups this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, and as you can see, there are 8 beads on each bracelet. All right, pay attention. Look for your clue words. Remember that a fraction, one of the words of a fraction will tell you what you're dividing by. Take your time and do your best. Please do not earn a fun pack. Anyway, may the Lord be with you.